Hi, so welcome to the preview of your app. Once you've downloaded the preview your app, simply hit tap to play, and if you enter into the username, click OK, where it's got email address, just type in Yogahaven. Leave the password blank, and then it will take you to what I have designed thus far. I've taken this from your website, so I've adapted the color scheme to be the same. So you've got that brown color, obviously your logo. I've created these buttons, which is the same red as the red in the yoga, and the color inside of all these is actually the same color as in Haven. However, we can change any of this. We can change these to be square, round, whatever you like. We can change all the colors. You can have big pictures on here that scroll across or fade in and out. You can have this navigation down on the left, down on the right, or at the top. Most people have it on the bottom. It kind of looks normal. So the way it works, you have the main navigation here, then you have a button here for more, and that takes you to further pages within the app and further pages and features. Going through one by one, I'll try and make it very brief as you can have a play with it. But contact is very simply, I've listed all your studios so far. You click on each one, it'll take you to a, basically give you a map of where it is. Call us button, they touch that, it'll call the studio directly. Website links directly to the website. An example, I've just clicked that now and it'll take you directly to the website. We can change that to be each individual studio's website as well. And then email us would enable them to email you directly from their phone. Really simple. One icon at the very top right hand corner, the little arrow, that would navigate, that links to the maps on their phone. It would take them to your studio from where they are at that particular point in time. Nice and easy. Timetable, click on that. At present, this links only to your MindBody Online timetable. So it's not a very mobile friendly, it doesn't look great, but MindBody Online is not a mobile friendly website. What we will do, if you like the idea of this app, we will then integrate a proper software, which is it takes your own all of this and puts it in a very friendly, basically into the app. So customers would see their username, a nice big block, username and password, log in. They'd see the classes that's on that day or in future, be able to add that class into their calendar, and it would all look and act really, really well. We have also integrated payment. So what will happen is if they go and add a class onto their calendar and they don't have enough credit, it would say so. It would be, you don't have enough credit, would you like to add credit? And then it would enable them to add credit. So they can pay via our app. We're the only ones able to do that right now. Most of them just link you to the MindBody Online page that you can pay via there. So quite a nice feature. It's probably the most important feature. It's enabling your clients to see what classes are on and if there's availability and add it to their cart. Events are any other kind of events. You could put all the classes in here as well, or you could put different stuff. So different events that's happening, socials, anything like that. Pictures, you can put whatever font, text you like. You can change the font, you can change all these color schemes. Nice little icon here adds this to their calendar. So a great feature, really simple. You can have, these are reoccurring events, so you can schedule these to be reoccurring as well. You can also have information pages. So this is, I just put a brief for different postures. So you can put in the postures. You can have a header here or not, or you can just have the main page. Again, you can change all these colors, all the text can change, whatever you like. That's more information for your customers. Going on to the main, the more pages. So there's a variety of different features and tabs that you can have. I've included a bit of a mix here. First one here is simply news. This links to Google and Twitter. search terms yoga. You can change this or just not have it, up to you. The next few here are all based on rewards and loyalty. So the first main thing with the app would be able to, your customers are able to see what classes are on and book or amend what they've got booked. And then these are great features for loyalty, getting your customers to keep coming back. Very much like Starbucks and Cafe Nero and most places these days. So there's 3 types of rewards we can do within an app. One is a QR code. The second is like a stamp like Cafe Nero. And the third is GPS like Foursquare. So QR codes, what are they? These square boxes. What can we do with them? Pretty much anything. You can have, I've included 2 as an example on here, book 10 sessions, get the 11th on us. You'd have a QR code behind the reception desk. They'd just literally scan it and it would reveal 1 out of 10. Then they go back again and it's 2 out of 10 and so forth until they get to 10. Then they can redeem the next session on you. You can do whatever you like. You can have these by time. You can have them valid for a week, valid for a month, valid forever. You can do one-offs, like 50% off one-to-one. So you could actually send a QR code on a newsletter to make your folks read the newsletter. Scan it and they get a 50% discount off their next one-to-one session. Loyalty, this is like the Cafe Nero card. So you have a stamp, and instead of with a manual stamp, this is electronic. So I've just done 1111. You stamp the card and as you can see, a stamp appears on it. You do it again. And as you reach 10, then it would say redeem, and you can redeem whatever you decide to offer them. GPS, very much like Foursquare, all they do, once they're there, they hit that and they check in. You can set this to be that they have to wait 2 hours before they check in again, or a day, whatever you like. You'll see by doing this, it will say I'm not there, so I won't go into that right now. The good thing is that it does see that. And it also enables them to share that on their social networks. Gallery is simply the pictures. I've just taken a couple of your pictures right now. Gives you the idea about what you can do. Comment wall is simply a page when anybody can put questions or comments. You don't have to have any of these features. These are all features that are there that you can have. Social media links up to your various websites, Twitter, Facebook. So if I just hit Twitter as an example, it'll take you to your Twitter feed. YouTube, this links directly to a YouTube. I found your YouTube channel and I put it on here. So you'll see here, everybody could go see all of your videos directly on the app. Newsletter enables them to link up to your newsletter. A cool little feature, where did I park my car? If they drive to your studio and they want to, if they don't park in their usual spot, they may want to remember where they parked their car. As they get out of the car, they literally hit this little icon, set, then they can walk away, and when they want to find their car, it will help them trace their steps back to the car. Nice little fun feature. Again, you don't have to have these, they're just quite nice little things. Messages, this is the push notification system. So the third kind of main thing with an app that a mobile friendly website or other means does not allow you to do. So this enables you to send a message that would appear very much like a text on their phone. So you can let them know of any upcoming events, of new classes added, anything at all. Once they've read the message, it would appear on this page as messages. So a very handy tool to use. Email, I just did this as an example, but you can, instead of having it directly linked to your email, you can actually send a form. But this form, it doesn't have to be email, you could say survey, you could do whatever you like. So you can link this up to various other third-party tools. A nice little thing to have. So that gives you a bit of an overview. As I say, there's a bunch more features we can include. You don't have to have all of these. You can rearrange all of these depending on what you felt is most important, like loyalty. You may want that on the main page here. But it gives you a decent overview of what you can do. Any questions, give me a call.